When you're cleaning your filters, make sure you know what this is pointing. Basically, what's going to happen is when you prime your pump, there's going to be water coming out. So keep that in mind, because you don't want it to be spraying on your pumps, because it's going to constantly be getting wet, especially like this guy. It's going to be getting wet, and that can damage the motor eventually. Or I don't want it to be spraying all over here on the heater, like, or the walls, you know. Like I try to, like this is perfect, you know. This is gonna spray over here. A lot of times this space is kind of restricted, right? So you gotta make the right choice, right? Like sacrifice a little bit, whatever, right? Like you're not gonna have many options if you have like walls all over, but if you can, try to be strategic in where this is gonna be going, right? The water flow. So I'm getting ready to start this filter. So what I'm doing here, I just turned this valve because I'm sending the water to the spa. I don't like to send the water straight to the floor system when I clean the filters, because if some of this stuff went into the holes, like these holes here, if anything goes in here, right, it goes through the pipe and it's gonna clog my floor system. A lot of times there's a little screen in the floor system and it clogs the screen. So to avoid that problem, right, I switched the water flow to my spa. So when I turn the system on, the water is going to go back to the spa. Once I make sure the lines are clear, there's nothing in the lines, then I can turn it back to the floor system so that I don't have any problems. So I'm going to start this pump and I'm going to show you what this looks like when you turn it on and prime the pump. You gotta make sure this is all the way on when you're priming, otherwise you're creating a lot of air pressure in there. See the pump, hear the air. Stay away from the filter. Don't be like right here, right? There's a lot of pressure in there. So it'll fill up with water, and then it'll start shooting water. So that's why I was saying, see, spraying over there, no problem. If that's spraying over there, that's not good. You know, it's gonna get all the equipment wet. So that's good. As you can see, that's a lot of water. So now I'm gonna put this back to floor system, and then we're all done here. Just keep, and then you can mark this, put it to wherever it goes after you clean the filter. Start, right? Like you